Um, Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some KCET previous year questions on the chapter integrals. Um, so any doubts if you have in any steps of the solution or any other question you have, then please write us in the comments section. And in any of the chapters of maths, if you feel more difficulty, then also please mention the name of that chapter in the comments section. Um, um, then we shall give more clarity on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions on previous year KCET will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here we shall start from the very first question onwards. It is told to find the integral of x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole power 5 into dx. So we know that this x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, it is the expansion of x plus 1 whole cube. So it is x plus 1 whole cube plus x plus 1 whole power 5 integral dx. So this we can write integral x plus 1 whole power minus 2 into dx. So this will be equal to x plus 1 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So this will be raised to power minus 1, and this will be minus 1 also. So it will be minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 2, it is told we have to find the integral cosec x dx divided by cos square 1 plus log tan x by 2. So now here, if we take 1 plus log tan x by 2, that is equal to t, then if we differentiate both sides, then we will get 1 by tan x by 2 into d by dx of tan x by 2, which is secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to into dx, that is equal to dt. So therefore this is nothing but this is sin x by cos x. So I can write it as cos x by 2 dx, and this will be 2 dt divided by this will be sin x by 2 into cos square x by 2. So this is cos x by 2 will cancel out. So this will be sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this we can write dx by 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, that is equal to dt. So this is dx by, this is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 is sin x, that is equal to dt. So therefore cosec x dx, that is equal to dt. So this integral we can write, this is nothing but dt by cos square t. Now therefore this integral I, let's call this integral as I. So therefore this integral I is nothing but integral dt by cos square t. So 1 by cos square t is secant square t. So this is integral secant square t dt. So integral secant square t is tan t plus c. So the answer will be tan of t, which is 1 plus log tan x by 2 plus c. So option B is the correct answer. And in question number 3, it is told you have to find the integral dx by x into square root of x power 6 plus x power 6 minus 16. So now if we take x power 3 if we take x power 3 as sec theta, suppose we take x power 3 as sec theta, or if we take x power 3 as t, suppose if we take suppose x power 3 as t, that will be 3x square dx, that is equal to dt. So then this can be written as this will be written as dx. So this is so dx is dt by 3t square, 3x square. So therefore this integral I that can be written as integral dx, which is dt by 3x square into x into root over x power 3 whole square minus 4 square. So this can be written as integral dt by 3x cube into root over 3x cube into x cube whole square minus 4 square. So this will be integral dt by, this is 3t into root over t square minus 4 square. So this will be integral, this is 1 by 3 into dt by root over t and root over t into integral dt by t into root over t square minus 4 square. So this is 1 by 3. We know that the integral of dx by square x into square root of x square minus a square, that is given as sec inverse x by a. So this is sec inverse x by a plus c. So this will be also 1 by 3 sec inverse t by 4 plus c. So t is x cube, so this will be 1 by 3 sec inverse of x cube by 4 plus c. So it means that option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 4, that is told I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 x sin x dx, and I2 is given as integral 0 to pi by 2 x cos x dx. Then which of the following is true? Now I1 we can integrate, so I1 integral x sin x, so we can do sin x into integral x dx minus, this is d by dx of sin x, that is integral cos x, okay, sorry, this is something, there is something wrong. So actually there is a rule which we can say, that is integral 0 to a f of x dx, that is also equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this rule if we apply, then therefore I2, suppose I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2, that we can write this is pi by 2 minus x into sine pi by 2 minus x into dx. So this will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 into pi by 2 minus x into cos x dx. So this will be integral 0 to pi by 2 into pi by 2 cos x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 x cos x dx. Now this is I2. So therefore I1, that is equal to coming as pi by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx minus I2. So therefore I1 plus I2, that is equal to pi by 2 into integral cos x dx, so that is sin x. So sin x, that will go from 0 to pi by 2, which is sin pi by 2, that is 1. So this is equal to pi by 2. So I1 plus I2 is pi by 2. So option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 5, it is told if f of x is defined on minus 2 to 2 by f of x as 4x square minus 3x plus 1, and g of x is equal to f of minus x minus f of x by x square plus 3, then integral minus 2 to 2 g of x dx is how much? So now suppose if I find g of minus x, so that will be equal to f of x minus of f of minus x by x square plus 3, which is equal to minus of g of x, which is obviously minus of g of x. Since why it is minus of, I can write it is minus of f of minus x minus f of x by x square plus 3. So g of minus x is minus of g of x. So it means that g of x is an odd function. G of x is an odd function. So we know that integral minus a to a f of x dx, or I shall say that of that minus a to a g of x dx, that is equal to 0 if g of x is an odd function. If g of x is odd function, and that is equal to 2 into integral 0 to a g of x dx if g of x is an even function. If g of x is even function. Even function means when even function, it means that when g of minus x, that is also equal to g of x. But if g of x is, if g of minus x is equal to minus of g of x, then it is called as an odd function, and then this integral will become 0. So this is equal to 0. So option C is the correct answer. Then we have to find the value of this integral. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 100x minus cos power 100x dx. Okay, so now let's suppose this is integral I. Now we know that there is a rule which says that integral 0 to a f of x dx, that is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So now if we apply this rule in this integral, so then therefore the integral can be also written as 0 to pi by 2 sine 100 sine power 100 pi by 2 minus x minus cos pi by 2 minus x power 100 into dx. So this will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. This will be cos x. So this is cos power 100x minus sine power 100x into dx. Now this is obviously equal to minus I. So therefore here I is equal to minus I. It means that 2i, that is equal to 0. It means I should be equal to 0. I is equal to 0. So option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 7 it is told, if k into integral 0 to 1 x f of 3x dx, that is equal to integral 0 to 3 t into f of t dt, the value of k is how much? Okay. So now therefore if we here in this integral, suppose it is k into I, suppose if we take 3x, that is equal to t, then when x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 3 obviously, and 3 into dx, that is equal to dt. So therefore the integral I, which is integral 0 to 1 k into x into f of 3x dx, that can be written as k into integral, so x will be t by 3, so this will be t by 3 into f of t, and dx also will be equal to dt by 3. This is dt by 3, and this is going from 0 to 3. So this will be equal to k by 9. So this will be equal to k by 9, 0 to 3, t f of t dt. So therefore k should be equal to 9. So if k is equal to 9, then only we can say this integral I, that will be equal to integral 0 to 3 t f of t dt also. So it means that k should be 9. So option A is the correct answer. In question number 8 it is told to find the value of the integral dx by 1 plus cos 8x. So we know that 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is equal to 2 cos square theta. So therefore this we can write it as, this integral I can be written as integral dx by, it will be 2 cos square 4x. Since here 2 theta, so here 2 theta is 8x, so theta is obviously 4x. So therefore the integral I can be written as half of integral, now 1 by cos square 4x is secant square 4x, secant square 4x dx. So if we take 4x as t, then 4 into dx, that will be equal to dt. So dx is dt by 4. So this you can write 1 by 8 into integral secant square t into dt. So secant square t dt integral is tan t. So this is tan t by 8. So this is equal to tan 4x by 8 plus c. Plus c should be there. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 9, it is told to find the value of this integral. It is integral e power x into x power 5 plus 1 plus 5x power 4 into dx. Okay, so the rule is that if we have to find integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx, then we can do what? We can write f of x into integral e power x dx, which is e power x, plus, minus of f dash x into e power x dx, plus we have integral e power x f dash x dx. So this part will get cancelled. So the answer is e power x into fx plus c. So here also, if we take this x power 5 plus 1 as some t, suppose f of x. If we take x power x plus 1 as f of x, if we take x power x plus 1 as f of x, then f dash x, that will be equal to 5x power 4. 5x power 4. So it means that this integral is, this integral I, that we can write it as e power x into f of x, which is x power 5 plus 1 plus c. So this is x power 5 into e power x plus e power x plus c, which is option B. So option B is the correct answer. Then we have to find the value of this expression. To find the value of this, so this integral is written as integral x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 into dx. So this can be written as integral x square minus 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 into dx. So this can be written as integral dx plus integral 2 dx by x square minus 1. So this can be written as integral dx is x plus this is 2, I can write it as, this is actually, this I can write it as actually 1 by x plus 1 minus minus of 1 by x minus 1 into dx. Since the LCM will be x plus 1 into x minus 1, so this will be x minus 1. Okay, sorry, this will be minus, this will be plus. This will be minus and this will be plus. So it will come x plus 1 minus of x minus 1, which will be 2. Okay. So this will be x plus integral dx by x minus 1 minus of integral dx by x plus 1. So this will be x plus log of x minus 1 minus of log of x plus 1 plus c. So this will be x plus log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So option A is the correct answer. Sorry, here, sorry, it is not option A. It is option C. Option C is the correct answer. And in question number 11, it is told we have to find integral x power 5 e power x into x power 5 dx. So here we can do what? We can take this x power 5 as the first function. So this will be x power 5 integral e power x dx minus d by dx of x power 5, which is 5x power 4 into integral e power x, that is e power x dx. So this will be x power 5 into e power x minus 5 into integral e power x, x power 4 into integral e power x, x power 4 integral e power x dx. So this will be x power 5 into e power x minus 5 into this will be x power 4 into e power x integral dx minus this will be 4x cube e power x into dx. So this will be equal to x power 5 into e power x minus 5 x power 4 into e power x, then plus 5 4s are 20 into integral x cube e power x dx. So this will be again x power 5 into e power x minus 5x power 4 into e power x plus 20 into integral x cube, that is x cube into integral e power x dx minus d by dx of x cube 3x square into e power x dx. So this will be equal to x power 5 into e power x minus 5x power 4 into e power x plus 20x cube into e power x, then minus 3 to the 6, so 60 integral x square e power x dx. This is the integral I. This is equal to the integral I. Okay. So therefore the integral I that is given as e power x, that is e power x into this is x power 5 minus 5x power 4, then plus 20x cube minus 60 integral x square e power x dx. So this will be equal to e power x into x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 20x cube. Then this will become minus 60 into x square integral e power x dx minus this is 2x e power x dx. So this will be equal to e power x into x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 20x square x cube minus this will be 60x square e power x plus this will be 6 to the 120 into integral x e power x dx. So this will be again e power x into x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 20x cube, then minus 60x square, I can write minus 60x square, then plus 120 into I can do x into integral e power x dx minus d by dx of this, that is 1, and so integral e power x dx. So this is now e power x. So this will be e power x into x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 20x cube minus 60x square plus 120x e power x, then minus 120 e power x. Okay. So therefore the final answer is x power e power x into x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 20x cube minus 60x square plus 120x minus 120. Okay. X power 5. So this is minus plus minus plus minus, that is alternate. Minus plus minus plus minus. So option A is the correct answer. So here we shall end the first part of this video on integrals. So hope you have understood all the solutions of these 11 questions. So in the next part we shall solve from the question number 12 onwards. So in any step, if you are unable to understand and any other doubts you have, then please write us in the comments section, and please install the Sapience education application, where we shall upload some very important homework questions on every chapter, which will be helpful for your KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.